I believe that God has given each and every one of us a unique talent to spread His name. For example, in my household, Michael over there plays the piano, Charlotte plays the bass, and that guy, well, he's an amazing dancer.
I'm such a good dancer!
But what do I do? Hi, my name is Manny, and I love Tech Deck. Am I jealous of my friends? Nah, actually, I praise my friends for their talents. Every household, I just sit and observe because observing is just one of my many talents, I think.
Manny, right? I heard he's really good at observing.
Oh yeah, Manny? He's cool. During worship, he claps his hands and taps his feet sometimes.
This is my main talent. I don't know how I can connect it to God, but I'm sure there's a way. This is just my definition of fun.
Yo, Manny, where you at? Mass about to start!
Don't worry. I'm on my way. Maybe there is a way to incorporate my talents with God. I'm Manny. I'm a Catholic pro-tech decker. Rock and roll.